Potential adversaries. Here we talk about the potential adversaries related to the field of biotechnology and recombinant DNA technology. Adversaries are actually a person or a group of people who oppose or attack. So the similar words related to adversaries are threat or enemy. Now let's talk about the potential adversaries or potential threats related to genetically modified crop. The first potential adversary is the food allergy. Food allergy is increasing day by day because of the use of genetically modified crops, that is up to 50%. FDA ने प्री मार्केट अप्रूवल देने से पहले फूड सेफ्टी एनालिसिस और फूड एलर्जी एनालिसिस कंपल्सरी रख दिया है, जिसकी वजह से फूड एलर्जी की जो परसेंटेज बढ़ रही थी उसको नीचे लाया जा सके. Then when the scientists prepare a crop or a genetically modified crop having Bt toxin, तो हर जगह शोर मच गया कि this toxin or this antigen is harmful for the human being. Later, when research is performed, it was found that the receptor for this toxin or for this antigen is absent in human beings. So it is totally safe for human beings. Then the next question arises, what about the cancer? If the genes inserted into the human being by the use of genetically modified crop, they can mutate any time because of the environmental, immunological and genetic factors. लेकिन अभी तक genetically modified crop की वजह से कोई कैंसर का पेशेंट सामने नहीं आया. So in order to avoid the potential adversaries related to genetically modified crop, it is better to buy organic crops. Now, to make the session interesting, I have added potential adversaries related to genetically modified fish. Now, this genetically modified fish have an environmental impact on the wildlife as well. They invade the population, how the genes are inserted into the genetically modified fish, and through food chain it affects the wild population as well. So here we can evaluate the transgenic fish itself. Let's take an example. For example, scientists have used human growth gene. It is inserted into a fish, that is salmon. Then salmon grow from juvenile stage into adult stage quickly. So this genetically modified salmon is, however, somewhat different from the wild fish. Similarly, number of genes are inserted into the fish for better food production in order to get the antibacterial resistance, but keep in mind that none of these genetically modified fish are genetically acceptable or commercially acceptable, because these fish, when eaten by animals or by human beings, they can enter into the food chain and cause a severe environment effect. Now, the only transgenic fish that is acceptable commercially is the zebra fish. Zebra fish को वो businessman खरीदते हैं जिनका काम aquarium से related हो, because zebra fish has the ability to glow. Now let's talk about the potential threats overall. There are foodborne risks related to the intake of genetically modified foods. Now people are traveling across a lot, they are moving across border, so there are chances that the genes inserted into the human beings, they can spread from one population to another. Then there are chances of loss of biodiversity. The nature has its own balance system. That balance system get disturbed. They also destroy the earning potential of the rural communities. क्योंकि रूरल कम्युनिटीज़ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, दे कांट अफोर्ड टू buy the seeds related to the genetically modified crops. So this is somehow disrupt their earning potentials. Then it also disrupt the trade system. Now we have to take the special scientific approval for using these genetically modified foods or genetically modified things, that whether they are safe for human beings or not.